Earlier in the week, we laughed at a little piece that came out of the United States from our mate Army Horowitz, who went and spoke to people essentially fully vaccinated New York about why you're still wearing masks. And put simply, it was because of the baby pacifier effect.
Your mask outside.
It feels weird not to. I just like it. I got used to it. I don't mind wearing it. I guess I'm just used to it, I guess.
I just have it on. I forgot it was on.
You forgot it was on? Are you vaccinated? Why are you wearing a mask outside? What's your thought process? No comment.
Now, of course, masks has always been a little bit confusing. I remember Fauci way back when said no masking, and then you apparently had to triple mask, and then this happened on NBC.
It's time to double up and wear two. This morning, Dr. Fauci endorsed the idea on the Today Show.
If you have a physical covering with one layer, you put another layer on, it just makes common sense that it likely would be more effective.
So experts say you can double up with a tight weave fabric mask for added protection. Now, Virginia Tech researchers found that doubling up these cloth masks increases the efficacy from 50 to 75%. A 3-layer mask could block up to 90% of the particles.
Well, QA, big thinker in the Channel 9 newspapers today, Cory Bernardi has concluded that even after the pandemic passes, we should continue wearing masks here in Australia. So no different than the bloke who had 30 seconds and no answer as to why he was still wearing a mask, despite being vaccinated in New York. This garbage gets a run in mainstream media here.
It's just extraordinary, Paul. I'm lost for words when you look at the Americans perhaps who can't explain themselves, or even the Australians. And the only conclusion I can come to is that they've found a way for people to donate their brains to science and allow the bodies to keep walking around, because there are so many stupid people out there at the moment that will do anything that Dr. Fauci says, even when he contradicts himself. And there is a bit of research, which you haven't featured on your show, but it shows more Americans rely on Dr. Pepper for their advice than they do from Dr. Fauci.